Good morning, my people, and as you all know, this is Tuko Farms, and this is just a quick video. In order to get the best out of your eggs, in order to get the best hatchlings out of your eggs, make sure you harvest your eggs every day. No matter how small the quantity of eggs you harvest, make sure you harvest them every day. Make sure you harvest your eggs and incubate them immediately, because if you don't, in this kind of weather, your eggs will dry out. Your eggs will dry out, and when you eventually incubate them, they won't hatch. That is it, they won't hatch. So once again, this is Tuko Farm. Subscribe to my channel. Stay blessed and God bless you.